Welcome to my channel, Tech Explorer. CNC Athena. The CNC Athena is an Italian motorhome that redefines luxury on the road. Boasting an expansive 1076 square feet of floor space, it rivals even the most lavish apartments. Inside, it seamlessly blends functionality with elegance, offering ample room for work or leisure. Whether it's hosting a business meeting, a dinner party, or simply unwinding after a long day, the Athena delivers with style. Packed with essential appliances and comfortably furnished, it's the epitome of mobile opulence. Truck Surf Hotel. The Truck Surf Hotel isn't your typical motorhome. It's a mobile hostel designed for surfers and travelers seeking beachside adventures in Europe. For a reasonable fee, guests can enjoy the convenience of sleeping near the shore. The hotel features communal living spaces, including a kitchen and living room, as well as 4 bedrooms on the upper floor. It offers an affordable and flexible way to experience coastal living without compromising on comfort. Crawler OTAG 385. The Crawler OTAG 385 is a rugged German-made expedition SUV that's built to tackle off-road terrain while providing comfortable living quarters. Designed for up to 5 occupants, it features a well-equipped kitchen with a 3-burner stove and a large fridge, along with a bathroom complete with a shower, sink, and toilet. With modern amenities such as a smart TV, LED lighting, air and water heating systems, and solar panels, it's ready for extended adventures off the beaten path. Caracat. Caracat introduces a new era of mobile living with its innovative trailer houseboat hybrid. Available in various models, its compact design combines the best of both worlds, offering relaxation on both land and water. Smartly engineered, it features a fiberglass hull and foldable pontoons for easy transport. Inside, you'll find a cozy seating area, a well-appointed kitchen, and an upper deck perfect for soaking in the scenery. Despite its narrow footprint, it delivers comfort and versatility for adventurous souls. Off-road caravans. These Australian-made luxury trailers are built for rugged off-road adventures. Categorized like luxury cars, the E-Class model starts at $78,000, offering up to 6 beds, a robust payload capacity, and a host of amenities, including a shower, washing machine, toilet, 4G internet, and more. Equipped with specialized features like air springs, ventilated disc brakes, and shock absorbers, they ensure comfort and stability while traveling from one campsite to another. PODX GO Grande S1. Blending camper mobility with motorhome comfort. The PODX GO Grande S1 is a versatile model towed effortlessly by a Ford F-250. Within just 15 minutes, it transforms into a spacious living area of 34 square meters. Packed with smart features like the Edge 1 system for essential functions and self-leveling in parking lots, it offers year-round comfort and convenience. Despite its premium features, the $85,000 price tag may seem steep to some. Houseboat. The Harmonia 310 model offers the comforts of a land-based home on water. Equipped with amenities like a kitchenette, bathroom, and bedroom, it prioritizes comfort with features such as stoves, refrigerators, and showers. Priced at $84,000, it provides 17 square meters of living space and comes with a 9.9 horsepower engine for cruising. While it sacrifices speed for comfort, it offers a unique lifestyle for those seeking waterfront living. Gidget. This retro-style trailer from Australia offers simplicity and compactness. Despite its small size, it features transforming elements such as foldable sofas that turn into beds. With a skylight for stargazing and a rear kitchen setup, it maximizes space efficiency. Unfortunately, the company has closed, but its innovative ideas may inspire future designs in the industry. The Kapiti. For those who value compactness, the Kapiti motorhome from New Zealand is a tiny yet functional option. With a small footprint of 7.2 meters long and 4.3 meters tall, it offers basic amenities like a sofa, kitchen, and bathroom. Clever design elements like a wall staircase to the second floor and a window above the bed add to its appeal, providing a cozy living space despite its diminutive size. 28 Movable Roots trailer, originating from Australia, offers a true mobile living experience. With a length of 28 feet, it provides approximately 300 square feet of living space. Notable features include a loft bedroom, an L-shaped kitchen, and a spacious tiled shower with a window. Custom storage solutions, modern LED lighting, and stylish composite trim with natural wood accents enhance the interior. Priced at $130,000, it offers a premium and luxurious lifestyle on the road. The Galaxy of Happiness. The Galaxy of Happiness spaceship is like a dream from a sci-fi movie come true. Priced at a staggering $33 million, it promises a luxurious experience beyond compare. Spanning 53 meters, it boasts 3 cabins with private bathrooms, a swimming pool, and various entertainment areas. With a crew of just 3, every need is meticulously attended to. Its 2,600 horsepower engine and trim-ring construction make it incredibly efficient. Crafted in 2016 at Latitude Yachts in Latvia, it's a marvel of modern engineering. Nexus 21 Kitchen. Imagine revolutionizing your kitchen into a space straight out of a futuristic dream with Nexus 21 Kitchen. They've crafted a marvel where hidden compartments seamlessly blend into your culinary haven. Picture this: as you cook, you can catch up on your favorite shows or even receive cooking tips from the likes of Gordon Ramsay, all thanks to the AL Series lifts. Whether it's for personal projects or catering to businesses like hotels, they've got you covered. They've ingeniously tackled corner spaces, making even room for your coffee machine. The Cranchi Settantotto 78 is a yacht crafted by the renowned Italian shipyard Cranchi, available for $4.7 million. This 25-meter masterpiece features 4 cabins, 5 bathrooms, a living room, a kitchen, recreation areas, and even space for an ATV, ensuring both the owner and guests stay entertained. The yacht can accommodate up to 18 passengers. Despite its luxurious offerings, the Italian experts did not compromise on speed. It cruises at 42.5 kilometers per hour and can reach a maximum speed of approximately 61 kilometers per hour. As a final touch, owners can choose from 5 interior designs, each inspired by a different Italian city. MX4 Houseboat. The MX4 Houseboat is a luxurious vessel designed by David Weiss and produced by Bravada Yachts, a leading houseboat builder. Constructed with a steel mono hull, it features 2 levels and includes 7 rooms, 3 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen, a living area, a dining area, and a rooftop deck. Additionally, it is equipped with a generator, a bow and stern thruster, and a diesel engine from Vitis. The MX4 Houseboat is ideal for traveling on rivers, lakes, and protected seawaters, thanks to its low maintenance requirements and durable design. The price of an MX4 houseboat averages around €549,000, but this can vary depending on the model and the extras included. Motorhome. Imagine a luxurious Italian yacht, but on wheels. That's the Dembell Motorhome for you. It's like a stylish studio apartment on the move, with no annoying steps inside. The coolest part? It has a garage at the back big enough to park a car up to 4 meters long. Plus, there's a cozy bedroom sitting right above this garage. They've even thought of smaller versions for those who prefer scooters or compact cars. Timbercraft Big Sky. The Timbercraft Big Sky sounds like a cozy retreat on wheels. With 37 square meters of space, it's definitely designed with comfort in mind. I love that it comes fully equipped with essential appliances, making it feel just like home. Plus, the rustic style adds a charming touch to the whole package. And with the attic space for overnight guests, it's perfect for hosting friends or family. Though the price tag is significant, it seems like a worthwhile investment for those seeking both mobility and comfort in their living arrangements, priced around $100,000. Wilderwise Homes Model. This two-story house on wheels is a game-changer. It offers the comfort of a regular home with the mobility of an RV. You can customize it to your liking, connect it to utilities, or even add pontoons for water living. With a price tag of around $85,000, it's an innovative take on mobile living, offering flexibility and a touch of luxury. Pergola Solid, a smart addition to outdoor spaces, ideal for resorts or hotels. Custom made by this company, it offers a range of options including lights, glass features, and electric shutters for added security. These pergolas boast openings up to 7 meters wide and come equipped with a rainwater drainage system, ensuring furniture and accessories can be stored safely. With 8 movable parts, including 6 in the walls and 2 in the roof, users no longer need to compromise between sun protection, ventilation, or privacy. This versatile solution merges functionality with style, enhancing any outdoor environment effortlessly. Furrion Elysium. The Furrion Elysium is basically a mansion on wheels, or better yet, a yacht that cruises on land. This beast of a motorhome has everything from a high-tech living area, a kitchen with all the bells and whistles, to a helipad on top with a helicopter waiting to whisk you away. It's so exclusive and fancy that the price isn't even listed, but just the helicopter alone will set you back $257,000. Pocket Sink. The Pocket Sink is a versatile, portable option for outdoor enthusiasts needing a quick way to wash dishes or bring water on trips. Ideal for camping, fishing, or other activities. Without easy water access, this foldable sink has a sturdy 4-layer build with a metal spring rim for support. It has 2 strong handles and a wide top opening for convenience. The included mesh bag keeps cleaning supplies organized. Collapsible for easy storage and transport, it's priced at around $14.99, making it an essential item for simplifying outdoor washing routines. Travel Bike Camper by Maxime Derache. Maxime Derache designed the travel bike camper for transporting your home and belongings while traveling. This lightweight, folding accessory attaches to your bike, expanding into a spacious tent with windows, mattresses, and pillows. The tent fabric is water-resistant and breathable, ensuring comfort in any weather. It's eco-friendly, requiring no fuel or electricity. Ideal for solo adventurers prioritizing comfort and safety, the Travel Bike Camper Package includes the trailer tent, mattress, and pillow for $1,999. For more details and pictures, visit Maxime Derache's website. Vitaloop. Vitaloop isn't just another trendy sports bottle. It's focused on water purification. Using the NanoFlow system, it filters out 99.9% of lead, microplastics, bacteria, and viruses in just 45 seconds. You can even purify water from a puddle. However, it needs to be recharged and only purifies fresh water. The replaceable filters last for 250 liters. Priced at $190, this bottle is perfect for those seeking purified water on the go. Aquaforno. The Aquaforno is a versatile 3-piece outdoor oven that serves as a boiler, grill, smoker, pizza oven, and rotisserie. Ideal for cooking and drying fish, each section can be used separately or combined into an 18 kilograms tower. The setup is relatively easy, taking about 3 minutes. It uses wood, briquettes, charcoal, or peat as fuel. Named the camping product of the year in 2017, the Aquaforno justifies its cost of €462 with its multifunctionality and convenience. The THECATAL trailer tent is perfect for camping enthusiasts who also love their vehicles. This unique tent includes a garage, allowing you to sleep right above your car, ensuring it stays warm, dry, and safe. It stands 3.5 meters high and offers 40 square meters of space. Setting up this tent is as easy as setting up a regular tent, taking around 10 minutes. When folded, it fits conveniently in the trunk, making the car tent combination highly practical. Suitable for any season and weather, this tent enhances the camping experience by providing comfort for both you and your vehicle. The Gazelle T8 Hub tent, despite its long name, offers numerous benefits. It comfortably fits 8 people with its 10 square meters of space and weighs 21 kilograms. The tent can be set up in just 90 seconds and includes a rain cover. Its removable floor, sitting at a height of 13 centimeters, provides better protection from water. Designed with solutions from hunting and fishing products, it features a special mesh roof for stargazing on clear nights. Additionally, it has plenty of storage pockets. However, the price tag of $580 might come as a surprise. The Eblue RGB Space House is perfect for any location, whether it's a campground, resort, beach, or deep in the woods. These modular houses are versatile for both personal and commercial use. Available in different versions, like the I-Shape measuring 11x4x3 meters, they come equipped with plumbing, furniture, and lighting. The luxurious design is reminiscent of futuristic action movies, making you feel like Corbin Dallas or Douglas Quaid could walk in any moment. When it's time to move, all versions fit into standard 6 or 12-meter shipping containers, making them easy to transport and set up anywhere you desire. Z-TRITON. For those who cherish sustainability, the great outdoors, and thrilling adventures, the Z-TRITON is an ideal getaway. This fully electric amphibious camper trike transforms seamlessly between a motorboat, a freight cycle, and a cozy little house. Emitting zero emissions, it promises maximum enjoyment as it takes you anywhere on land or water. The camper is perfect for 2 people and a pet, offering a comfortable sleeping area, an indoor or outdoor kitchen, a lakeside viewing spot for movies or reading, and opportunities for treasure hunts and island explorations. Designed to create lasting memories, the Z-TRITON is available for $19,999 or for rent in select European regions. Ignik FireCan Portable. For those who love the cozy glow of a campfire without the hassle of building one, the Ignik FireCan Portable is the perfect solution. Ideal for campsites, tailgates, beaches, or home patios, this propane-powered fire pit features a sturdy ammo can design. It includes a tool-free quick-release 5-foot hose with an adjustable regulator and has folding legs for easy elevation off the ground. The steel mesh sides enhance flame visibility and radiate heat effectively. Easy to connect to refillable propane cylinders. Get it now for $134.95, down from the original $179.95. Nomad Grill. The Nomad Grill and Smoker is perfect for those who love outdoor grilling without sacrificing portability. Its multi-layer design and proprietary heat-dissipating technology keep the outer shell cool, making it safe for various surfaces. Ideal for tailgating, camping, hunting, fishing, or backyard BBQs, it offers 425 square inches of cooking space in a 28-pound compact form. The stainless steel grates and mag vent air controls ensure precise cooking. Combining portability with high-quality construction, the Nomad Grill and Smoker is available for $695.